Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be unboxing the mystery tackle box bass fishing kit. Let's get into it. This is box 153. Alright, we have it right here. Alright, let's see what we got in here. What does this say? This is the tree pounder. It's going around that Chromebook over there behind me. I'm gonna just dump it out and I'll show you guys. Oh, we have some nice things in here. Carl's brain twister. Alright, put this here. Look at that. Comment down below if you can figure that out. Alright. You guys can pause that video right there. Right here we have the Strike Pro Cranky XSS. It's like a, what's that, a bluegill color, I'm guessing? It's huge. That thing is, looks nice. It looks like a bass will freaking chomp on that, be munching. Oh, it doesn't tell you the, it's a nice rattle. It doesn't tell you the depth, like you know, Guggen Squad. Like this next thing right here, we have the Guggen Squad Zinger. And what color is this actually? Does it tell me? Nope, did not tell me. It seriously doesn't tell me anymore. Am I seriously just looking at this thing wrong? Alright. Well, here's the Guggen Squad Zinger. As you guys should probably know if you haven't watched any of my recent videos, I lost my Guggen Squad clickbait to a rock. It just snapped off my line. Okay, we got 2 baits done out of those. Next we have the, wait a minute, is this thing? Don't even know what this thing is. What is this, the tickle tail? This is the tickle tail. Or I hope I'm saying that right. Yeah, it's tickle tail. This is all 3.8 inch little, looks like a speed shad, but with little tentacles on the bottom. Looks pretty cool. I don't know what I'm gonna be throwing that on though. Not gonna lie. Next we have, this is the Fish OER Lures Dodger Pup. I mean, it's like a, I can't actually see in this packaging, it's like brown blue or something like that. That's all I can see. Or like gray. Next we have EWG hooks. Pretty sure it's a set of 2 of them. 3-pack actually. And then we got that 3-pounder. And since I already went over the tackle box, I'm gonna be showing you guys what else I got at Walmart that I went to today. Look at that. Oh, if you guys haven't seen, I got this Ozark Trials kayak paddle because I didn't have a kayak paddle and I need one for my kayak, and then I have my life jacket, so I'm ready to start making some kayak videos. Alright, so the next thing that we got from Carl's next thing we got from Walmart is a Berkeley scale, fishing scale. Holds up to 50 pounds because I need a scale. I had that really old one that I didn't know how to use. And it has a tape measure on it. But I wasn't, and then these. Since it's that time of year, you know, frogs start popping off. Got this, we're just gonna try this out. We're probably gonna like do a video on this. The frog testing. We got popping frog, and we got just an Ozark Trail frog. just green, regular frog, and like a bluegill colored frog. Alright, so we get those ones out of the way. Now we have this craw bug kit right here. It tells you everything in it, but we're gonna individual take them out. Ooh, we got some nice ones in here. First I'm taking out, this one is a 3-inch black and blue craw bug. We're just gonna hold it from the towel. Craw bug right here. 3-inch black and blue. Next we have this orange and green 3-inch craw bug. Now we have this green pumpkin craw bug with red flakes and black flakes. Yeah, I think these might be a good trailer if you put them on a jig or something. They do have this giant hole in them. I could be holding them like this, just yeah. Now finger smell is horrible. We have this black and red craw. Hold on, I'm putting it on my finger again. Alright, there we go. Black and red craw. We have how many? 3 of each of those colors, and then we also have the 2.5 from that, if I'm not wrong. Let me see. 2.5. I'm sorry, they're 3.5 inches, and then these ones right here are 2.5 inches. We got all the same colors. Now jig heads, we got 3 sets. We have 2 of these jig heads, 2 of these size jig heads, and then 2 of these size jig heads. And now I'm going to tell you the sizes. Alright, they are, the first one was the 1/8 ounce jig head, second one was the 1/4 jig head, and then the third one was 1/16 ounce jig head. And plus we get a tackle tray with it, so, and I need a tackle tray. So yeah, that's all the stuff that we got from Walmart today. And I would probably film this a different way, like I might have just put like the camera like facing down so you guys can see this like this, and me opening it up and all that. It just didn't work out. But you know how excited I was to get all this stuff? Oh, I just put this. Oh yeah, if you guys want this out of the box, it's $153 if you guys like what was in it. Now, let me take this guy, put him with the other mystery tackle box stuff I have. Boom. You know, starting the collection. Trying to get back into it. We got this green calyx fishing reel just sitting here. We gotta get a rod for that, so we can do an unboxing on that. We have this black mac just sitting here. We gotta do something with this too. We also have this reel right here. This Shimano FX200 graphite right here, just sitting here. So yeah, we gotta get a couple rods. We gotta get 3 so far, and then I have to fix this rod. Gotta buy a little end tip thing so we can fix it up. And then we have I might buy another Calyx fishing rod, the exact same one, because this one snapped from a car when I was riding my bike with it. I might just get the same one and then just put the green Calyx bait caster on there. Then, yeah, so if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe, and can't wait to fish with this stuff. See ya.